Here is how to create a YouTube channel step by step in 2024 with all the latest optimization techniques to make sure that your channel is optimized and to get to as many viewers as possible. By the way, congratulations for starting your channel, because this is the best place in the internet to start and grow an online business. Let's go to the step. Step number 1 is to create an account. If you already have a Google account, you should skip this step. To create your Google account, go to Google and choose the account type we have for myself or to manage my business. So I'll just select to manage my business. So I can go by it, scroll down and go to get a Gmail address. So I'm getting a Gmail address for my business. It will take you to the next interface where you enter your details like your first name, your last name. It is optional to add your last name. So once you're done, click next. Then Google requires you to fill your basic information like your birthday, your gender. Once you're done, click next and it will take you to enter your preferred email address, and also Google will require you to verify your phone number. From there, you will have a Gmail account. Once you're done with creating your account, it's time for the next step. Step number 2, create your channel. To create your channel, go over to your profile picture at the right hand here. Click on your channel. The name you're seeing here is the name used in creating your Google account. So just input the name of the channel you want to use and click on create channel. This is how to create your channel. It is simple and easy. I recommend you use password manager because this will come way handy. Like for me, I have lots and lots of accounts for different websites, and sometimes I find it difficult to remember my password. This is where password manager comes in. So once you log in the first time or sign up, you can save to your password manager and it will help. I use Google Password Manager and it has been very helpful to me. And the other tip I'm going to give you for this step is that if you are finding it difficult to name your YouTube channel, I advise you go to ChatGPT for assistance. Step 3, customizing your channel. Once you have your YouTube channel created, you can get to it at any time simply by clicking on your profile picture at the right corner and my channel. It will bring you right to it. To add your profile picture, just click on your profile picture and upload a new profile picture. In order to create a profile picture that looks very professional, I recommend using snapper.com. I'll leave a link on the description box to access snapper.com. And go to Snapper, go to YouTube banner, click and edit the style of the banner you want. So just scroll through and select this one. I'll just click on it, edit it to the style I want and save to my device. Then we'll go back to YouTube Studio. Click here, upload your image. You can also add your description, your channel description, and save. Step number 4, unlocking all of the features. Features like custom thumbnails, and thumbnail is very important because this will give you more views. Like a captivating and amazing and very beautiful thumbnails will give you more views. People will be curious, okay, what's this video all about, let me watch, and this will give you more views to your channel. And custom thumbnail requires verification. I'm going to show you how to do it. Click profile picture, YouTube Studio, settings, channel and feature eligibility, then verify your phone number. YouTube Studio is your hub for checking analytics, changing settings and basically getting into behind the scenes of your YouTube channel. Step 5, optimizing your channel. This is the setting that helps your channel get more views and rank faster in the algorithm. You can assign roles to people to help out with your YouTube channel. You do this by going to settings and click on channel and permission. Click on invite. Then invite the person via the person's Gmail. Once you invite the person, you can add any of the role. Make sure you go over to the end tab on your YouTube studio. As you can see now, it requires 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in order to join the YouTube partner, and after that you can start receiving paycheck from YouTube. Step 6, which is the last step, is upload and earn. Who doesn't want money and who doesn't like money? I do. I love money. And this part is very important because after customizing your channel, after creating an account, the very next step is to upload that first video. This is the most difficult part. Upload that first video, and subsequently you start making money from it. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video to the very end. I hope you got value from it. If you did, please click on that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I make any videos. See ya. Bye.